Alright, you're gonna need a small tool, like a small screwdriver like this with a sharp flat edge. That's what you need. That's the only thing you need to replace the remote battery. So get it in the place right where I'm getting it, and then use the tool to pry the cover open slightly. Once you do that, once it's pried up just a little bit like that, now again get the tool and use it to pop the cover up completely like that, and that's good. Now that's where the battery is. In order to get the battery out, again use a small screwdriver or the tool that you're using. Pry it out like that, and the battery comes off. Let's take a closer look at the battery. It's a CR1620. That's the size of the battery. CR1620. That's the one you'll have to get. Now let's get the new battery. Put the plus sign, the one with the plus sign on it, put it on the bottom there like that. Position the battery where it is, press it, and done. It's locked in place. Now let's get the other part of the remote, position it on top. Everything's aligned. Now just press it to lock it in place, and you're done. Let's try it out. That looks good. See how easy that was?